Hey guys, we're live at 9:05, battling for Mike's Y-Wing. Up at the top, went a little too far. I'm going to copy the list as we go back down. 50 spots. I'm going to copy them here. There it is, Mike's Y-Wing. I'm going to paste them in over here at random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 50. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er. So we're good to begin. Good luck, everyone. Christopher, round 1. Matt, 2. Beetlejuice. Ryan, round 4. Christopher Burgess again on top in round 5, which means our winner is Scott Singer, in at number 11. Congrats, Scott. Here's the official results and verification code, UDPDAY. Scott Singer, in at number 11, is the victor of Mike's Y-Wing. I'm done at 9:06. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Scott in at number 11. See you next time, guys. Thanks.